18th January, Smriti Divas, Day of Remembrance, is one of the most celebrated occasion across all the centers of Brahma Kumaris in the world. On the same day, in 1969, Brahma Baba left his corporeal body. Dada Lekharaja was an ordinary and yet an unusual person. A successful self-made businessman, a family man and a pillar of his community. Many of his friends called him Dada, elder brother, as a sign of endearment. After the descent of God into his body, he was given a different name, one befitting his new role, Prajapita Brahma, the father of humanity. He is remembered by the name of Brahma Baba. Brahma Baba's uniqueness was not merely in possessing the highest virtues but also in his ability to bring out those same virtues in the souls who came in contact with him. Brahma Baba is a person who proved that it is possible to become perfect, it is possible to master the mind and emotions, it is possible to create a perfect destiny. Smriti Divas is the occasion to remember this perfection he attained and also the unique qualities he had. What made Brahma Baba so special? Empower everyone by giving love and respect. He used to give everyone true love and respect. His loving and sweet smile would fill everyone with zeal and enthusiasm. His love for God was contagious, which would empower others to sacrifice lust, anger, greed, ego and attachment. His words were very powerful and motivating, yet he ensured that he accepted each and everyone with their faults. Follow every spiritual law and encourage others to follow them. Baba said that there is a benefit, faida, in the laws, qaida. Nature has been observing laws. When you stop observing them, there is chaos. Therefore, never stop observing godly laws. Also, Baba encouraged everybody not to take the law into their hands. He said that by punishing someone you are taking the law into your hands. On the contrary, cooperate and fill the gap that has been created by someone's weakness. See everyone's specialities. Baba saw only specialities in others and appreciated them for it. His appreciation would fill everyone with enthusiasm and happiness. He never saw anyone's weakness. For example, he would appreciate an old and uneducated person by telling him that his life experience will be very useful in doing service if he uses godly knowledge with it. Such motivating words would pep up the old person. Whatever specialty anyone had, Baba would use that specialty for service. Work tirelessly and lead by example. Baba worked for more than 18 hours a day in spite of the body being very old. He was constantly engaged in godly service and bringing happiness to others. Remain happy, light. Baba always remained happy and light. If someone would come to him with a restless mind, seeing his sweet smile, they would calm down. No one ever saw Baba worried or sad. Beyond laziness and carelessness and a conqueror of sleep. A true yogi is the one who is a conqueror of sleep. There was no trace of laziness in Baba's life. Baba never postponed anything due to laziness. Whatever work came in front of Baba, Baba never did that half-heartedly. He was always very careful and diligent with any task he performed. Egoless, humble. Baba was a great example of simplicity. There was greatness behind his simplicity. Any desire for respect or honor was miles away from him. He used to live in a small room that was very old and had a tin roof. The walls were painted in white and there was no decoration. His clothes, footwear, everything was extremely simple. He always spoke to everyone very gently and used respectful words. Detached from everyone and the body. Baba would always remain detached from everything around him and also his body. As though he was immune to his surroundings. This helped him remain connected with God always. unshakable like a rock. Baba was unshakable. Even during extreme adverse situations, he remained calm and composed, which gave strength to others around him. The art of making everyone worthy. Baba had the skill of developing skills in others. He developed writing skills in someone, accounting skills in another, etc. His guidance and motivation inspired children to improve their capability in any skill they had. Loved everyone equally. Whatever Baba spoke was full of love. He was never partial towards anyone and gave love and respect to all equally. Connection with God. God was Baba's companion, and he consulted him at each and every step. This made his tasks unique and flawless. Taking care of the body. As much as Baba focused on being soul conscious, he always motivated everyone to take care of the body also. Positive soul conscious feelings for everyone. Out of all the virtues, Baba had one main virtue which always stood out in his personality. Purity always flowed out of him. Baba would always look at the hidden qualities and treasures in everyone. He saw everyone as children of God and never saw anyone as rich or poor, high or low. This made everyone feel at ease with him.
On the 18th of January we remember today, a soul so divine who showed us the way. Brahma Baba, our guide, so pure and so true, left his earthly body but his teaching still grew. He worked with joy, never tired or weak, a life of service to all he'd speak. With simplicity and love he led the way, his humble spirit shines still today. He worked with joy, never tired or weak, a life of service to all he'd speak. With simplicity and love he led the way, his humble spirit shines still today. Sriti Divas, the day of light, in every heart his wisdom ignites. Dada Likrajai, the vision so bright, led us to peace and spiritual height. Dada Likraj, with a heart full of grace, empowered us all in life's race. He saw our strengths, never our flaws, teaching us love without a pause. In 1969 he bid his last farewell, but his legacy lives on as stories we tell. An ordinary man with an extraordinary soul, with love and humility he made us whole. Sriti Divas, we honor and sing of Brahma Baba, eternal king. A simple man with virtue so bright, a guiding star, a beacon of light. Through all the centers across the land, we honor his teachings hand in hand. His guidance remains in the world we see. Brahma Baba's love sets us free. He worked with love, he worked with care, seeing God's light everywhere. A life so humble, yet so grand. He led by example, hand in hand. No laziness, no carelessness, Baba showed the way to success. With God by his side, he remained calm and strong, teaching us all where we truly belong. His love legacy of peace that we pursue. On this day we remember and rise, Brahma Baba's spirit forever our guide. His love for